Number 1. 1986 Lincoln Town Car Hearse, $3,750, Springfield, Missouri. Built by Eagle Coach Builders, this 1986 Lincoln Town Car Hearse is a unique piece of coach-built luxury. Powered by a V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and automatic transmission, it runs and drives well after recent maintenance, including a new battery. With only 66,400 original miles and a clean title, this white hearse offers both collectability and practical space for utility use. Its originality and solid condition make it a distinctive conversation piece and a great entry point into vintage Lincoln ownership.
Number 2. 1971 Javelin, $4,000, Roseville, California. This one-owner 1971 Javelin has been garage-kept its entire life. Powered by a 232 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, it remains drivable despite showing its age. The odometer has rolled over, with a total of 154,000 miles. Though it's in fair condition, its originality and simple mechanical design make it an ideal candidate for restoration or daily classic driving. Few early American Motors Javelins remain in such complete original form. Number 3. 1979 Fiat 2000 Spider Wonder 24, $4,000, Redondo Beach, California. Finished in green with a manual transmission, this 1979 Fiat 2000 Spider has 29,183 miles on its odometer, which has rolled over. The car has undergone extensive mechanical updates, including a rebuilt transmission, new tires, suspension, LED headlights, stainless bumpers, stereo, and a new convertible top. Though it carries a salvage title due to minor front suspension damage, it now runs smoothly and even passes smog. A fun and affordable European roadster ideal for weekend drives along the coast. Number 4. 1978 Chrysler New Yorker Brougham, $4,900, Floresville, Texas. This elegant 1978 Chrysler New Yorker Brougham, powered by a 440 cubic inch big block V8, was originally from Colorado and remains largely rust-free with only minor surface spots. It has been stored for a decade and will need a new starter and battery. The seller includes a replacement dashboard, original AM/FM 8-track player, and a hood ornament. With a clean title and nearly every factory option, this full-size luxury car offers tremendous restoration potential. Number 5. 1956 Pontiac Chieftain Catalina Coupe, $4,800, Lake Brownwood, Texas. This two-door hardtop Chieftain is remarkably straight and solid for its age. It appears to retain its original 316 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. The frame and underside remain factory-coated and solid, with only small rust areas in the floor pans and spare tire well. The car is not currently running and is sold with a bill of sale only, but it represents an excellent candidate for a patina build, restoration, or custom project. Number 6. 1954 Nash Metropolitan,
$6,000. Hermiston, Oregon. Compact, charming, and highly collectible, this 1954 Nash Metropolitan remains in good overall condition. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission, it shows 47,241 miles on the odometer. The car last ran when parked and has been well preserved, featuring good tires and a clean title. These early Metropolitans were known for their innovative size and style, making them popular among collectors seeking quirky 1950s microcars. Number 7. 1963 Studebaker GT, Gran Turismo, $6,400, Seattle, Washington. A rare factory V8 4-speed example, this 1963 Studebaker GT Hawk comes equipped with a 289 cubic inch V8 and a 2-barrel carburetor. The engine was rebuilt in 1980 and has approximately 50,000 miles since. The car is structurally solid with some patch repairs and minor rust in the trunk area. After 10 years in storage, it turns over, but needs typical fuel system cleaning. A well-documented car with records back to the 1970s, offering great potential as a distinctive American Grand Tourer. Number 8. 1975 Lincoln MK4, $9,700, Hanford, California. This 1975 Lincoln Mark IV in blue paint presents as a clean, well-maintained luxury coupe. The V8-powered car features an automatic transmission, new suspension, tires, exhaust, brakes, and a complete tune-up. The interior front seats have been newly upholstered, and the car includes a new cover, valid registration through September 2026, and a clean title. With a straight body and original paint, it's a refined cruiser from the height of Lincoln's personal luxury era. Number 9. 1979 Lincoln Continental Mark V, $9,499, Valencia, California. Offered in striking black on black, this 1979 Lincoln Continental Mark V has been in one family for over 45 years. With only 51,000 original miles, it remains in excellent running condition and has passed California smog. The car was registered non-operational for preservation and features a clean title and well-kept body and interior. As one of the most elegant personal luxury cars of its time, this Mark V represents Lincoln's final expression of 1970s opulence. Number 10. 1963 Mercury Comet S22, $13,000, Fresno, California. This 1963 Mercury Comet S22, equipped with a rebuilt 260 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, has been extensively refreshed after sitting for more than 30 years. The car features new brakes, radiator, wheels, and tires, making it a solid driver. The S22 trim adds sporty touches that distinguish it from the standard Comet. With clean title and restored components, it's a sharp example of early 1960s compact American performance. Number 11. 1941 Packard 110, the $18,000, Cardston, Alberta. An all-original Packard 110 project, this 1941 model retains its original 6-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and matching numbers. Showing 12,355 miles on the odometer, currently non-functional, it has undergone partial restoration and still needs some finishing work. With a clean title, this black coupe showcases the elegance and craftsmanship Packard was famous for, making it a worthy candidate for completion by a classic car enthusiast. Number 12. 1958 MG MGA Coupe, $17,500, Napa County, California. This rare 1958 MG MGA Coupe in red is fully registered and ready to drive. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission, it starts easily and has recently received a tune-up, carburetor adjustment, oil change, and brake service. The owner occasionally drives it between San Francisco, Vallejo, and Napa. As a fixed-roof version of the classic MGA, this coupe combines British charm with practical weather protection, making it desirable among collectors. Number 13. 1950 Baby Lincoln, $19,500, Placerville, California. Known as the Baby Lincoln, this 1950 sports sedan shares its body with the Mercury of the same era. Offered with about 95% of its parts, it features a straight, rust-free body, clean California title, and solid floors. The seller has owned it for 2 decades, and it shows evidence of 51,086 original miles. Finished in a striking purple paint, this Lincoln presents an excellent restoration project or an opportunity for a custom classic build. Number 14. 1954 Mercury Monterey Wagon, $17,500, West St. Paul, Minnesota. This 1954 Mercury Monterey station wagon, originally restored 30 years ago and updated again in 2025, retains its original 256 cubic inch V8 with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. It features numerous new and reconditioned components including tires, brakes, shocks, cooling system, carburetor, and more. With its clean title and strong mechanical condition, it stands out as a rare survivor from the golden era of American family wagons. Number 15. 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass SY76, $17,000, Las Vegas, Nevada. This triple black 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass SY76, originally from Georgia, features a 350 cubic inch rocket V8 with 268 camshaft, Edelbrock carburetor and intake, and a turbo 350 automatic transmission. With 32,000 miles showing, believed to be 132,000, the car was fully restored about 20 years ago and has since been garage kept. Power steering, factory bucket seats, and a center console add to its appeal. This rust-free, well-maintained Cutlass offers strong performance and everyday drivability.